Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Crunchyroll app. You will go to settings as you see and you will click. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here, you will search about the application of Crunchyroll and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing.